In 2026, Mercedes-AMG has unveiled the new CLE 53, a sleek, high-performance coupe and cabriolet that redefines the brand's two-door midsize segment, consolidating both the previous C-Class and E-Class coupes into one refined platform. Built upon the CLE platform introduced in 2023, itself derived from the C and E-Class lineage, the CLE 53 establishes itself firmly as the successor to those discontinued two-door models. Under the hood is a potent AMG-enhanced 3.0-liter inline-six engine, a mild hybrid setup including a 48-volt starter generator, pairing efficiency with aggressive power. This powertrain delivers a commanding 443 horsepower, with an overboost torque surge to 443 pound-feet for 10 seconds. Acceleration is rapid. The CLE 53 launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 to 4.4 seconds, depending on trim and optional packages like race start. Top speed is electronically limited to around 155 miles per hour. Its chassis features AMG's 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive with fully variable torque distribution, active rear axle steering, adaptive AMG ride control suspension, a 9-speed AMG SPEEDSHIFT transmission with rev matching, and 3-stage variable ratio steering, each system working in concert to deliver agile, track-inspired driving and customizable drive dynamics through AMG Dynamic Select modes. Visually, the CLE 53 is bold and aggressive. Flared wheel arches, signature vertical slat AMG grille, available matte black 20-inch alloy wheels, and distinctive touches like a silver chrome AMG fuel cap elevate its presence. Inside, the cabin balances comfort and sporty extravagance with Nappa leather-wrapped interiors, AMG performance steering wheel, red contrast stitching, sports seats, ambient AMG styling, the source of visceral excitement and premium craftsmanship. For those seeking exclusivity, Mercedes-AMG offers a limited, Manufaktur edition of the CLE 53, available in both coupe and cabriolet forms. These editions are distinguished by unique matte or Manufaktur exclusive paint shades, racing-inspired trim, carbon fiber accents, 20-inch forged cross-spoke wheels with colored rim flanges, bespoke interior stitching and materials, illuminated door sills, and AMG branding throughout. No mechanical upgrades, but a tailored, collector-level aesthetic that emphasizes personalization and heritage.